Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to use Adobe Audition to turn text into speech. Go to toolbar and click on Effect. Choose from options that appear Generate, then Speech. A big window will appear. In speech you can choose the gender of the speaker, either male or female. As well, you can choose the language. Change a preset as default. You can change the rate of speaking, whether low or high, as you want, as well the volume.
Hello.
You can write in the middle the text you want to turn. At last, press OK, and here you are.
Hello, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to make a text into it.
If you want the sound to be more humanistic, return to Effect and choose Time and Pitch, then Pitch Shifter. You can use my preset. Semitones 3, splicing frequency 33, overlapping 25.3%, precision medium.
Hello, welcome to a new tutorial.
If you like this video, press like and share it with your friends. If you like this type of videos, subscribe to our channel. If you have any question or any idea for next tutorial want us to recover, please leave a comment.